Hey guys, so as you know, I'm currently sick. Still not feeling any better really, but I thought I would show you what's in my drawers because I've changed them back really. Well, no, not really. I had everything in these drawers. There's a carry bag down there, ignore that. So I had everything in these drawers at one point, and then I changed things up quite a few times last year. So if you went around the channel then you won't know, but I had like I think blushes and highlights in here. Anyway, we're going to go through it all. This was like when I did my last shot my stash, it was the same I think. Yeah, it's got some absolutely stunning palettes in here, like this Tiny Marvels one. I'm not going to go through every single one, just purely because I'm going to be doing a makeup collection in declutter. I've got some candles here. I think I'm just going to pass them on to my mum. Got a couple of mirrors here. One that Karen got me from Colourpop, and then that Corpse Bride one I got. So let's just leave them there. And then I've got these that have never been used. Really inexpensive from H&M. Nude eyes and smoky eyes. I've got... Let's just not go through it. I'll just give you a quick overview. So the first drawer looks like this. I'll pop down there, and then there's a few higher end palettes there, and then there's a mixture of everything there. More for here. Jungle Lights, the one that Naomi sent to me. So yeah, that's everything in that drawer there. In the second drawer, there's a mixture of everything. I've got my Glaminatrix singles there, my Glaminatrix palette that Lisa got for me back there, Danessa Myrix that Karen got for me, and it's just a mixture of things. These are self-made palette, there's about 3 or 4. And then, like I said, just a mixture of things back here. Right, so in the bottom drawer, we've got cream blushes there. Powder blushes here. Like I said, it's just about showing you what I've got. That's actually a cream blusher and a highlighter. Then we've got some more powders here. We've got some palettes here, some powders back there. That Units one is off Amy. The Airspun one came as a mistake really from Boozy Shop, where I ordered the Glamlight Chocolate Martini palette. So it just looks like this. Could it be better organised? Yeah, I guess so, and it probably will be by the time I'm next doing my Shop My Stash, but I just want to show you what it looks like. And then the last drawer, we've got powdered highlights. I don't really have many cream highlighters, I've got 1 or 2. And then there we've got bronzers. Back here we have got so many palettes, so many. So yeah, I definitely need to work on using palettes more than kind of individual items, but yeah, this is what it looks like. And that's everything, guys. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of the drawers. I can show you. No, I mean that's the main thing. I have got high-end palettes elsewhere, but you'll see the high-end palettes when I do my collection and declutter video. I just wanted to say hi to you all. I will be back really soon. I'm just recovering at the moment, and you can certainly hear it in my voice. And my chest is really wheezy. I'm going to try and get this video up today. I do have 2 more videos going up probably towards the back end of the week. They're only really short ones. One's not even 4 minutes, and one's about between 6 and 8 minutes, so they're not long at all. I've not got any makeup on in any of them. I look so ill, guys. Thank you for being patient with me. And I'm hoping to, if I don't do any filming, I'm hoping to do a live on Saturday. So I hope you guys can come and say hi and make it. I'll be discussing like everything that's happened while I've had the virus. I'm very careful of not saying the word that we can't say on here. I don't know if you still can't say it, but I'll just call it the virus. So I'll be discussing what's been happening because, guys, let me tell you, it's been one hell of a ride. I'm still really struggling now, but sorry. But yeah, this is everything. Let's open all the drawers and you can see, you can get an overview of everything. Right, so you can't really get an overview of everything, so I've opened the middle palette drawer and left the last highlighter, bronzer and face palette drawer open. Hope you're all doing really well. Let me know what you've been up to. Let me know what you've been using in your Shop My Stash, if you do a Shop My Stash. What palettes have you been using? I am just itching to use the Juvia's Place, the Garden of Juvia's. It's just that right time to use it now. We're in spring. I don't know if it's officially spring. But yeah, it feels like the palette. And then obviously next time I do a Shop My Stash, which is not going to be for a long time, probably, well, we're in April now, so it'll probably be either mid-April or May. So anyway, I'm going off on a tangent. So next time I do a Shop My Stash, I think I'm going to pull the Natasha Denona pastel out. I so want to play with that. It's too stunning for words. Anyway, I'm gonna go. So yeah, these are the drawers. Not all of them, unfortunately. I tried pulling them all out, but you just couldn't get a good view of what was underneath. So this is the best I can do. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, it really does help get my small channel out there, and I massively appreciate it. You have no idea how much I appreciate it. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new here. I'd really appreciate it, and don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you again soon, hopefully. Bye guys.